Downhearted, forever departed, and you're a little too guarded. Just let me share the way. Changing faces all around.
Beautiful morning, everybody. I just woke up. I am so left in peace around here. Oh, you see a little bit of frost coming over there? It's getting colder. So, since I am so left alone today in this park, I thought, oh my god, this butt needs a workout. It's been so long ago and it's getting flatter, so all I do ever in the van is like this, and it's not working. It's not killing it. Whoa, the beach is a little bit further than I thought it would be. Oh, there you look. I thought the beach would be here, but the beach is like right over there in the back. Maybe up there somewhere. Maybe there's a good spot. I don't know, guys.
And you're trying to keep chasing, but you feel like it's wasted. Just let me share the way. Just let me share the way. Just let me share the way.
Guys, I just had my workout and now I really need a shower, and I'm going to show you my new hot water outdoor shower system, which seems a little bit complicated, but I'm going to show you how I set it up. First things first, we have this wooden plate so I don't step on a dirty floor, and then we have this little circle. I store them mostly under my bed, and you just open it up and it's a pop-up tent. Like so. Okay, wait, that didn't work. Just like so. Okay. And you can tent it up, and it's so easy and so fast. I normally do it that way, and I put it under top of here. Penny, I can't play with you. I need a shower now. Okay, it's okay though. It's okay. Kind of standing. And then I have my water boiler. As you previously might remember, in the van tour I built this a little connector that works for the pump. So I take my water bottle, which is with fresh water. It's only 5 liters for today, but it's better than nothing. Put that pump in here. It's standing quite. Oh, hi. Hey. No, it's fine. No worries. Just curious. Hi. No worries. No worries. Have a nice day. The shower cap right here. You just have to tighten it up. Normally I put the bucket underneath because sometimes there's a little water leak happening. It can happen. This, my friend, goes through that little door. The gas bottle. The last important piece for the shower setup. It seems a little bit of a stressful setup. You definitely need your little routine before you can really start doing things faster. I'm just gonna transfer quickly my shampoo in here so you can see from the other side. This is the little shower cabin that I have with the shower cupping up. You have a window and the steam can go out, and you have a little bag for your shampoos. So in total, this is the setup. Showering outdoors is like really not that bad. I turned this on. Now we have to turn the gas on. I'm going to have a shower now, guys, and I'm seeing you when I'm done. And it felt so good. Oh my god. Oh yes, I needed that. A warm shower. And it's weird. The weirdest thing is it's not even cold inside the tent, although it's freezing outside. I mean, we're in the UK now, it's winter. And with the hot water and with that tent, because it blocks the wind, it doesn't even feel that cold. And then I come in and I have the heater on and it's just so good. I made lunch, guys. It's like ramen kind of thing with a salty egg. What time is it now? It's actually not that late, guys. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm eating lunch just at the right time. Wow. Felt like I took so long with everything today because I did a workout and then I had a shower and then I'm eating. I know it doesn't sound like much, but actually I expected it to be already 2 o'clock or something. Because cleaning everything up and setting the things up and down, I thought already would take way longer than I expected. I have been loving this table. It's so handy and I can just sit here and eat so comfortably. Although sometimes I do feel that I'm always sitting curled up. It's a bit annoying. I just have to work a little bit on my posture. But you get that everywhere if you sit without like a proper chair. Maybe I'm gonna drive later a little bit. I still have to buy some water. I'm running slowly out. And if you have any good Netflix recommendation for me lately, please tell me, because I really do need some good stuff to watch. I like crime, I like detective stuff, I like medieval stuff. I don't like too much comedians or political series, to be honest. And food series. But I think I've watched all the good series already. Do you think I will adapt slightly to a British accent? Because the more I hear it, the more I believe I start talking like it. Because I adapt to languages so fast. Yeah, since I've been hearing so much British, I feel like my English starting to become a little slightly British, which I don't mind because I actually do like the accent of it. Hey guys, it's been a lot of driving today. I feel awesome because I am a little bit more used to the traffic in England in general. You know, I had some struggles at the very first day. I think a week almost passed and I'm getting much more used to it. I wasn't listening to music at all whenever I was driving the last week because I was fully focused. And now today I started listening to music. I drove, beautiful landscape. Just the perfect morning. And now I arrived in the northeast of England, where it's in Donna Lake, Donna something, where there are seals which come back every year in November till February in wintertime, and they raise their little baby seal cubs. We're gonna see a beach full of seals. I am so excited about it. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. I drove about 100 miles. I still don't know how many kilometers that are. Penny can't come. He needs to stay in the car. I was just playing with him outside, ball a lot, so he gets tired. As you see, pretty tired. And I just love my life so much, guys. Okay, Penny, sei brav, okay? Sei brav. I can't believe I am so lucky that I actually went to England in winter. I know a lot of people were asking me, why do you go in winter to England? It's so rainy and so cold. But I really just felt that I just really wanted to be in the cold, in the rain. And I can't wait to go up to Scotland. Imagine how that's gonna be. Just a winter wonderland with my van. I'm so excited. Do you see the van? It's an angel. It's an angel. Oh gosh, you guys, behind me, the whole beach from this end over there is just so many seals getting their baby cubs. It's incredible, and I can't believe that I'm kind of witnessing it. It looks so so crazy. I mean, most of the time they're just having a hard time, I guess, laying around and trying to raise their little babies, but wow, that's something I won't forget. You might worry that the seals are maybe not feeling well or whatever, but this is just all the natural habitat. That's what they do. They come back to this beach to give birth, and you can hear the sounds. It's just all natural, so you don't need to worry.
You feel like you're still waiting for the golden sun.
I have been just eating my first Yorkshire pudding, and it's so yummy. Wow, I didn't expect it that.
Head on, pick your eyes up, we're all we'll ever have. When you're feeling downhearted,
I'm losing all my money on the street musicians here. I don't know why, but I just started to tear up. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel so overwhelmed, not just by the music, but just the way I feel. So overwhelmed and happy. Is that weird? I'm just walking around and like having tears in my eyes. I really, really, really like York. It's very cozy and very friendly and very small and cute. I don't know how can I describe it. I just really like it here.
just let me share the way your friends are all fading, and you're trying to keep chasing, but you feel like it's wasted. Just let me share the way. Just let me share the way. Just let me share the way.
I had those dried mushrooms in my van for like a year now, and now I'm using them and just soak it in water. An hour later, the mushrooms doubled the size, are soft, and are now ready to be eaten. Not like that. I'm gonna cook it now. This is what turned out of the mushrooms. Dinner is served.